Hello everyone, I am Preetika and today we'll be doing some basic hip opening asanas or poses. So let's get started. So the first pose that we will be doing is butterfly. So let's all come in butterfly pose. Join your feet together, open up your hips, open up your legs, let go of your legs and let's start flapping. Let's start flapping and see if you can make some noise out of your legs. Keep flapping. Keep inhaling and exhaling. Do to the maximum you can. In case your hips are not reaching down to the floor, it's completely okay. Just do as much as you can. And let's relax. And inhale, take your arms up, join your palms together, make a namaste above your head, pull your spine up, spine erect and straight. Inhale, take a long deep breath in and exhale. Once again, inhale, and as you exhale, go forward, go down to the maximum you can. Take your buttocks back, lower back in, chest out, go down to the maximum you can. See if you can touch your chin or your nose or your head on the floor. In case you're not able to go down to the maximum, it's completely okay. You can just hold up. Hold till wherever you can. Inhale, look up, exhale, relax. And now, let's just push our feet a little bit forward, a little bit away from our groin region. Hold on to your ankles. And inhale, look up. As you exhale, go down towards your feet. See if you can touch your head onto your toes and relax in that position. Keep opening up your hips. You can either take your hands here and hold. Keep inhaling and exhaling. Or you can take your hands back, hold your ankles, and you can also push your knees away with the help of your elbows. Keep inhaling and exhaling. Try and hold the posture and try and relax in the posture. Slowly inhale, look up. And exhale, bring your legs back. So now we'll move on to our second pose, that is our Janu Shesh Asana. So now you can open up your right leg. Left foot is near your groin region. Right leg is straight in front of you and your toes are towards you. Yeah? So first we will prepare ourselves how to go down in a perfect position. So first we will hold on to our leg from down and we will inhale, we'll take our spine up. We'll push our buttocks back, lower back in, chest out and we will hold. Remember your toes are in towards you. Hold, look up. Keep inhaling and exhaling. You can also close your eyes and feel the posture. Keep inhaling and exhaling. Hold each asana for at least 3 to 4 breaths. And inhale, come up. Exhale, relax. So now what we will do is, we will inhale, we will take our arms up. Exhale, go forward to the maximum you can. See if you can hold on to your leg or your foot wherever you can. Go down as much as you can. See if you can touch your nose or your head onto your knee. And let's hold. Keep inhaling and exhaling. Feel the posture. And let's inhale. Let's come up. Exhale. Let's relax. So what we will do now is we will go down between both the legs. Yeah? So let's inhale. Let's take our arms up. As you exhale, go forward. Reach out to the floor. Push your buttocks back, lower back in, chest out, and go down to the maximum you can. You can touch your chin on the floor, or your nose, or your head. Like you can stay there. Inhale and exhale. Do not stop your breath. And let's inhale. Let's take our arms up. As you exhale, relax your arms. And let's change the side. Yeah? So we will open up our left leg. Yeah? Right leg, foot will be near your groin region. Your left leg is open. Your left toe is towards you. So we will repeat the same sequence here on the left also. So first we will hold on to our leg from down, and remember the toe is towards you. Inhale, look up. Exhale, go down. And remember your lower back is tucked in. You can hold on to here, or you can hold on to your ankle also. Do as much as you can. Look forward. Keep pushing your lower back in. Try and keep your knees straight. And let's hold. Very good for your hamstrings, your hip opening, and your lower back. Inhale, come back, exhale, relax. So now we will inhale, we will take our arms up. As you exhale, go forward. See if you can hold on to your foot. If not, you can hold on wherever you can. Go down. See if you can touch your nose, head or chin on your knee. Let's hold. Hold for 3 to 4 breaths. Feel the posture. Keep smiling. That's what matters. Just enjoy your practice. Yeah? And we will inhale. Let's come up. Exhale, relax your arms down. And now we will go down between both the legs. Inhale and exhale, go down. Reach out to the floor. See if you can touch your chin, nose or head on the floor. Whatever. If you cannot, it's completely okay. Just do as much as you can. And let's hold. Inhale, look up. Keep your lower back pushed in, chest out, and let's come back. So now we will move on to our third asana, that is Upavishta Konasana, or wide angle seated forward bend. Yeah? So what you can do is you can open up your legs. Open up your legs as much as you can. and your toes should be in facing towards you. Now place your hands in front of you. I will show you like this what to do. Yeah, I'll show you from the side angle. So open up your legs, toes towards you, hands down on the ground. So what you have to do is you have to push your hips back, lower back in and chest out. Hold here, hold to the maximum you can and keep pushing your chest out, lower back in, hips out. Do not hunch and sit, yeah? In case you cannot, it's completely okay. Do as much as you can and just keep pushing your lower back in. Keep inhaling and opening up your chest more. Keep pushing your lower back in with every inhalation. Take 3 to 4 breaths in every pose. And you can relax, you can come back. Let's come back to the center now. Yeah, I'll show you like this. You can open up your legs, toes towards you, hands forward. You remember that position that I showed you? Right now you have to push your lower back in. So now we will go down, we'll go forward. So you have to do exactly same movement. It's completely okay if you are not able to bend forward fully. It's completely okay. Try and do to the maximum you can. Okay, let's get started. So inhale, take your arms up. As you exhale, go forward to the maximum you can. See if you can go down and touch your chin, nose or head anywhere on the floor. You have to do the same thing. You have to push your lower back in, chest out, hips out, so that you get a better stretch. Keep holding and feel the posture. Feel the stretch in your hips. And let's inhale. Let's come back and you can relax. In case it's paining here, you can just relax and massage yourself. Yeah? Or you can just flap your legs and relax. Yeah? Okay, so let's move on to our 4th asana for today. So what we will do is, we'll sit here, I'll show you like this. So what we will do is, we'll keep our right foot on the left knee. You can place your hands back and you can support your back. Now keep your right palm on your right knee and push your right knee away from the body. When you do this, you will feel the stretch right here in your side glutes. Okay, so push your knee away from the body and let's hold. Let's feel the posture, feel the stretch. Keep holding for at least 3 to 4 breaths. That is the maximum time, actually the minimum time you should be holding. And inhale, come back, exhale, relax. I'll show you the other side, onto the other side. Okay, so you keep your left foot on your right knee and your left palm on your left knee and push your left knee away from the body. Push it away from the body. Feel the stretch in your hips. Keep holding. Hold for at least 3 to 4 breaths, as I told you, the minimum time. And exhale, relax. Yeah? Okay, you can come back to Sukhasana and we will do our fifth and the last pose for today. So what to do is keep your foot forward, yeah, and keep your right knee right above your left toe. Keep your left toe right above your left knee, and your shin bones should be parallel to each other. Yeah. Okay, so hold on to your knees. Inhale, look up, keep pushing your lower back in, chest out, buttocks out. Exhale, relax. Take at least 3 to 4 breaths here itself. Keep pushing your lower back in. Feel the posture. Once again, inhale. Take your arms up. And as you exhale, see, you can place your palms down. Go down. More. See if you can reach out to the floor with your head, nose or chin. Stretch your shoulders. You'll feel a good stretch in your shoulders also. And your back. Keep holding for at least 3 to 4 breaths. And slowly inhale, come out of the posture and relax. So these were the basic stretches that you can do back at home while sitting on your mat. And yes, so do it and you can just tell me how was it.